Welcome back to Melnick Art. My name is Mickey, and today I wanted to go through some new paint from a maker called Jodi Gear, Jodi Gear, but I guess she goes by Jodi. Jodi makes this amazing handmade everything from pastels to watercolors to ceramics or pottery. And she's really hands-on. She likes to forage near her home, and she processes stones. And a little backstory on her: she's a medical illustrator, and she does landscape and portraits. And she's also a retired equine veterinarian. So I've added a couple little horses here to help me swatch out the paints that she handmade. So she's not quite selling paint yet, but I wanted to do this anyway because I wanted to kind of honor the hard work and process that it took for her to get this range. And then I wanted to open up a little extra piece that I bought from her right after I swatch. So I did, when she sent these, there was some wax paper on it. You just throw them in the freezer. And then after a few minutes, you take it out, you mist the back of the wax paper, and it'll just peel right off. So mine came out pretty good. So I did apply a dot of, this is the magnetite. I'm already sidetracking myself. I'm using this natural paper by, I think from Jackson's. So I thought it got some beautiful color and granulation in there. Where's that piece? I'm trying to see what I'm doing because I'm standing up. And here's the violet ochre. Sometimes natural pigments take need a little bit of help, but she's got honey in these, so they re-wet pretty well. So pretty. And next is her eggshell with real eggs from the grocery aisle, and indigo. I think the indigo she sourced from a friend, so that's beautiful. And this is indigo green, which means I believe she added yellow ochre to the indigo to get the green. Really beautiful. And this is from actual rock, this yellow ochre. It's going to take me a second to get a little bit more color here. I could have chosen white paper, but I kind of wanted to go with a natural fiber paper. And this is from this orange is from bricks, not brick orange. I'm assuming. You're already getting quite a beautiful range here. This is Nistler Red, which I don't know the story about this, but it's got quite a good color payoff. Here's another brick red, but this is a red. It's really nice. So there's the color range. That magnetite, oh, it's so beautiful. I'm going to bring this up to the camera. This paper is pretty water absorbent. So the water is being sucked right into that paper. They're so pretty, aren't they? Amazing work, Jodi. It's awesome. So for the additional item, in the spirit of, she's got a little stamp here. A Norman horse is a very large horse. I think it's a Percheron mixed with something else, something like a Lipizan or something. It's nice to have another horse person out there. But she makes these beautiful little ink wells, and I couldn't resist. This one was $32. It has her stamp with a little horse stamp next to it. There's the cork on the lid and quite a bit of space. I would say that's 2 ounces at least. And it fits nice and tightly. Oops, see? And they're really, really cute and beautiful. I love that it's handmade. So there's that. And she also hand stamped her own card. I believe a lino print. And I could totally use this to send to someone if I wanted to, but I'm keeping it and I'm putting it up on my wall in front of me because it's beautiful. So there you have it. There's all these things. I wanted to thank Jodi for sending these so fast. I am really appreciative, and I gotta, my hat's off to the handmade makers like Stonework Mill, and gosh, I can name so many right now. But the people that go out and hand forage their paint, it's unbelievable to me. So I'm hoping that she does sell, but I know they're very, it's a hard process, and they probably will be very expensive because they're so hard won. But keep your eye on her. Her Instagram is Jodi Gear, and literally just go through her feed and just see what really cool things she does. It's just amazing. She's a wonderful artist too. So I encourage you to go check her out. Well, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.